Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to finally get organized and simplify your digital life with Notion? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating a super simple personal dashboard using Notion in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll see how easy it is to get started, how to customize your workspace, and I'll share my top 10 beginner tips to help you work smarter, not harder. Plus, there's a free template you can grab to make the whole process even smoother. Let's dive in. To keep things fast and professional looking, we're going to use the free Simple Personal Dashboard template. Trust me, starting with a template saves you a ton of time. It looks polished right out of the box, and you can tweak it any way you like later. So, when you're inside Notion, head to the top left of your workspace and click that little drop-down arrow for more options. Look for Browse Templates, and when you're there, type in Simple Personal Dashboard in the search bar. You'll see several options pop up, so take a moment to pick the one that feels right for your style and workflow. Once you find it, just hit Add, and Notion will set up everything for you in seconds. Now, you've got your dashboard in front of you. It's time to make it personal. Start by adding your own credentials and creative touches. Maybe upload a favorite photo as your header, tweak the colors, or rename sections to suit your needs. Customizing here isn't just about aesthetics. Making your dashboard feel like yours will actually make you want to use it every day. Let me walk you through my top 10 beginner tips to get you off the ground and avoid overwhelm. These are real strategies that Notion newbies, and even pros, swear by. First up, keep it simple. Seriously, don't try to build Rome in a day. Start with tasks and a basic calendar view. Once you're comfortable, you can add more features. But simplicity is key to staying productive. Second, get to know linked databases. That might sound intimidating, but all it means is you can show the same data in different formats, like your to-do list as a board or a calendar. It's incredibly flexible once you get the hang of it. Third, always use filters. For example, filter tasks so you only see what's due today. It clears away the clutter and keeps your attention where it matters. Fourth, formulas are your best friend for progress tracking. If you like seeing your achievements visually, try a quick formula like prop done, prop total. This will display a neat completion percentage. Next, pin important pages or sections in a navigation bar at the top. Why? So you're never hunting for your tasks, notes, or goals, they're just a click away. Sixth, add Notion buttons. Imagine having a button labeled Add New Task or New Journal Entry. With one click, you're ready to capture a new idea or task. Synced blocks are tip number 7. They're like magic. Use them to keep your navigation bar or a quick capture space visible on every page. No more jumping between tabs and getting lost. Tip 8. Use the calendar view for deadlines. Drag and drop tasks to assign deadlines, and visually spot bottlenecks or busy periods. Ninth, start a daily review habit. As part of your morning routine, open your dashboard, check your tasks and calendar, and set your priorities for the day. It really helps you stay focused. Finally, experiment slowly. Don't feel the need to build an overly complex system from the start. Add one new tool or feature at a time, test how it works, and keep only what helps you get things done. Remember, the simpler your dashboard, the more productive you'll be. That's it. You've set up your first personal dashboard, put real productivity tools in place, and you're ready to make Notion work for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want me to dive deeper into any Notion features, just drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials. I've got plenty more tips and free templates coming your way. Happy organizing!